Where to start the research to have surgery in Turkey. Having surgery in Turkey is highly preferred in the world, with both high-quality Turkish doctors and price advantage. As a result, many people want to have surgery in Turkey, but people do not know where to start searching for doctors and hospitals. In this blog, we will explain what steps should be followed after deciding to have an operation in Turkey and how to choose a good doctor. The first thing to consider is the experience of the doctor. So how can we understand this? Actually, there is a very easy way to do this. This method is to look at the title of the doctor before the name. The titles of doctors you will encounter most frequently in Turkey will be Operator Doctor, OpDR, Associate Professor, Doc. DR, and Professor Doctor, Professor DR. Doctors with these three titles are authorized to operate. So what do these titles show us? Doctors are experienced over the years and conduct scientific research. As a result of these scientific researches and experiences, they enter the examination for promotion as a doctor. Doctors who are successful in these exams are promoted from Operator Doctor to Associate Professor Doctor. Idealist doctors, who are not satisfied with this, take more difficult exams and want to become a professor in their field by writing articles and books. Doctors who pass these exams receive the title of Professor Doctor. In short, there is no doubt about the experience and knowledge of the doctors who received the title of Professor. The first priority when choosing a doctor for surgery will be that the doctor's title is Professor. It should also be noted that not every doctor is or can be a professor. This is directly proportional to both preference and hard work. A doctor can also work as an operator doctor for his entire career and retire. In addition, if the desired result is not achieved after the operation, revision surgery may be required. Unfortunately, the rate of need for revision surgery is higher in operator doctors compared to professor doctors. While most people want to have surgery at more economical prices by going to the operator doctor, they experience much more costly and painful processes when the need for revision surgery arises. The second thing we need to pay attention to is the hospital where the surgery will be performed. There are many quality hospitals in Turkey that are among the best hospitals in the world. Large and chain hospital brands may be among the priority choices, because chain hospitals are much stronger economically in meeting certain standards. For example, the surgical robot named Da Vinci Robot is a $2.5 million robot. While large hospitals can supply this robot, even small hospitals may not have an entire budget of $2.5 million. This robot is especially useful in surgeries such as gastric sleeve. In addition, hospitals are required to provide the necessary accreditation in order to treat foreign patients. Chain hospitals such as Akbadem, Memorial, Medical Park, Medicana, Medipol, Florence Nightingale can be counted among the most popular Turkish hospitals with high-quality standards. The biggest advantage of operating in economically strong hospitals is that the equipment used is of the highest quality. There are hundreds of quality products in the world, from scalpel used in surgery to sewing thread. While large hospitals generally use European and American materials, hospitals with weaker economies may have to use products made in China. In this case, it can be an effective factor in the quality of the surgery. Also, there is a higher probability of having a foreign-speaking nurse in large hospitals. What should be considered after determining the doctor and the hospital? Many clinics and agencies provide flight tickets, accommodation, and transfers for their clients. This is actually the best solution for the patient. Some patients think that they will save money by arranging their flight tickets and accommodation themselves, but since agencies and clinics have special agreements, they provide these services at a much more affordable price than the guest will receive. In addition, even if there is no price advantage, if there is a problem in Turkey, instead of solving the problem yourself, if you leave all the authority to the agency or clinic, you will not have to deal with any problems, because there will already be an authority to solve these problems for you. Finally, in terms of the formality of the offers you receive from agencies or clinics, The offer must be on letterhead, or in the form of a PDF file, or signed paper. Some institutions send the treatment list and services by message, but this is not official. With this method, some scammers send the best doctor and services to people by message and take deposits. They state that they will have surgery from a cheaper and inexperienced doctor very shortly before the patient arrives in Turkey. While stating this, scammers often lie like, "We had a problem with the doctor and we care about your health, so you will have an operation at a better doctor." Most of the patients do not accept this and convey their disapproval to the fraudsters. As a result, their deposits burn and patients lose money. Remember, no good agency or clinic offers treatment and price quotes with a message. To summarize, it is very advantageous to have surgery in Turkey, and it is possible to get the best service after a good research. For this, attention should be paid to 4 main topics. 1. The title of the doctor is Professor Doctor. 2. The hospital to be operated is large and fully equipped. 3. The agency or clinic offers advantageous flight tickets, accommodation, and transfer services. 4. Receive the offer in the form of a letterhead or signed document. Do not let the agency or clinic replace the doctor. For more detailed information on this subject, you can comment on the blog, contact us via the contact form, or reach us from our corporate WhatsApp line at the bottom right. We wish you a healthy and peaceful day.